I am not going to be squirting mustard all over, cracking an egg, or dumping a cup of rice on my floor for this video, but I will be showing you how this thing works on realistic messes. And in my case, that is dirty paw prints, mud, dog hair, and hay all over my floors. Because we live on a farm, we have a border collie puppy, and I have a blue collar farmer husband. That's pretty much all I need to say. So I have put this vacuum mop to the true test. First of all, I just want to say I cannot live without a vacuum mop. If you don't have one, they make cleaning your floors so much easier. So when I was in the market for a new one, I made sure to do my research. And hands down, this Dreame H12 Pro was the most recommended. There is a reason that this baby is 16,000 PA, which is about 3 times the suction power that most of them are. You can use it to clean wet and dry messes. So yes, if you do happen to have an explosion of mustard, eggs, milk like you see all the time on this app, it will suck it all up and leave your floors clean. It is perfected for hard floors, so it's perfect for marble, tile, wood, and laminate. Our floors are all LVP or tile, and it does great. It not only self-cleans, but it also self-dries. For me, the drying part is a big deal. My old one self-cleaned, but it did not dry, and that thing was smelling rank. Like, I'm 99.9% sure that it was growing mold inside of it. And one of my favorite things is that it's specifically designed to clean to the edges. So no more gaps or stripes of dirtiness all along your baseboards and your cabinets. It also has powerful forward traction, so it takes minimal effort to push it around. The clean and dirty water is completely separate, so you're not mopping your house with dirty water. The screen on the top shows you your exact battery percentage, which I thought was pretty dang cool. This thing makes cleaning your floors so easy, it takes me about 15 minutes to do my entire house. Then I just put it back on its charging base, hit the button, and it cleans itself out and self-dries, so it's not gonna get all nasty and moldy on the inside. After it's done, all you have to do is dump out the dirty water tank, which, by the way, the water is always so gross afterwards. Even when I think my floors aren't that bad, this thing proves me wrong. And that is it. My floors are clean, my house smells good, and it literally only took me about 15 minutes. I also think the price on this thing is amazing. It even comes with all the bells and whistles. The fancy charging base, cleaning solution, a cleaning brush, an extra filter, and it even came with an extra rolling brush. You really just can't beat it. If you want to grab you one, the link will be above my name on this video.